LEODA Bradshaw's dropping penalty. Yes, you heard me a while ago. LEODA Bradshaw dropping penalty. I have something to play for 200 likes on this video. Don't go nowhere. Listen to this.
Do you think if me did have money to buy water and little shit to go game, would I get more out time?
Yeah.
Too much no money yet me a wait.
Yeah.
Watch this. LEODA telling me that she share woman with that man. She share woman with that man, but that woman come from all the way in Miami.
Oh, such a fly down woman for sleep with Phillip Paulwell. Oh, alright.
2 or 3 times a year.
Yeah.
2 or 3 times a year. And she said I don't know where Phillip are doing, you know, because oh God, Phillip must be fretting. Phillip must be fretting now. But I don't know nothing. I don't do her nothing. She texts me, she call me, and I don't do her anything.
Yeah.
And she said at one time she remembered the Prime Minister calling Phillip during the thing where I won here.
Yeah, the Andrew.
Before the arrest her, she in the out and hear the Prime Minister call Phillip and tell Phillip said, be careful of Fitz Bailey. Cause he don't know what go on. Same way, you must be careful of Fitz Bailey.
So what you say, Fitz Bailey know what did ever go on?
No, she said Fitz Bailey the Prime Minister called Phillip Paulwell.
Yeah.
And said to him, Phillip, be careful of
Fitz Bailey.
Be careful of Fitz Bailey.
Yeah.
And she turned to me and I say, hey, they're my friend. And she said, yes, all politicians, they are friends and okay, you see them go on.
Yeah, but all the way a friend, man. I said go, all the way a friend. But we just cuss one another when one another go out forces, but otherwise I'm not.
Permission that she gave me. And I said, if you're right, I will be one of them to go to 7-star and ask that we demonstrate for you if you're right. She even asked me to go to the counselor of Old Arbor Bay and tell him that she's in there and she's Phillip Paulwell baby mother and he should come and give her a visit.
Yeah, but Phillip now go visit her because you know say Phillip now have nothing to do with her or for the near her, right? I know.
Yeah, me know. But me only assure you say he never come visit her. He never come, one Chinese man come with the food.
One Chinese man come with the food?
Yes, one Chinese man. She said I thought he was a driver.
Yeah.
Because she get oxtail and bungo rice and peas that they did.
Yeah.
You know? She hand it to me and I hand it to other inmates because it's sad. And I say, Ross, then we not better than this. Oh yeah, one day I wait them a salt food, them a.
Yeah, how could that food and send a Gileone now?
Eh?
How send the food to Gileone?
From up our yard, it a come from.
Oh, family send it come here?
No, up a Phillip yard, it a come from. She said the driver.
Oh, the driver from Phillip yard carry food come Gileone?
Chinese man.
Chinese man.
But I don't remember its name. When she hears them out there, she bursts out in tears. She breaks down in tears when she hears them out there.
Yeah.
Right? And me go at the door and peep and see the Chinese man.
Yeah.
And he make a strip off people and half
Welcome to each and everybody. Welcome to Virtual TV Entertainment. A video has been posted on Virtual TV Vlogs. So go over there and check out that. And that video, a new video, will be posted over there today again. So make sure to stay tuned. Go over Virtual TV Vlogs after you don't watch this video. 200 people like this video quickly. And go over Virtual TV Vlogs. Go check out brand new updates for now. You understand me? Alright? Yes. So now we move forward. LEODA Bradshaw's dropping penalty. You understand me? That is what we're going to talk about coming up in this segment, everybody. Alright? Let me not forget to tell you that today is Blessing Sunday on Virtual TV, which is you God's richest blessing. Alright? Yes. So stay tuned as we give you what is happening where that is concerned. Now, I've been one of the persons that says that for the nature of the crime that LEODA BRADSHAW committed with Saraya Paulwell and Tashina Pattison, prison too good for her. I'm now going to take it back. You understand? You just know, say you have certain people that you know that doesn't deserve to go to prison and eat taxpayers' money. I stand by that. And of course, all of we would have liked, including me, would have liked the fact that the same girl, Kilford Gilchrist, who recently was, of course, charged for assault as a fellow inmate after they said she mixed up some concoction with mostly bleach and piss and doused LEODA BRADSHAW with it. That even too good too. Them shouldn't charge her. She's doing Jamaica a good service. As a matter of fact, what really and truly, and I know it pains a lot of persons to hear me say this, but I'm going to say it anyway. I'm sorry they never hold her as a year a while ago. I'm sorry they never hold her and pop something in her crutches. You understand what I'm saying? Because here what I know. If it was a man who did something like this, then Jamaica would be speaking more loudly. But guess what? We're not partial nobody. And Saraya Paulwell and Tashina Pattison must get justice. You understand me? LEODA BRADSHAW must suffer. All of the people that will agree with dropping penalty for LEODA BRADSHAW people, 200 people like this video. There is only a certain amount of cases that I have came here and read to you that I am familiar with, that I feel this way strongly about. One, what did happen to, of course, Donnelly Donaldson. I felt strongly about that, right? I mean, I said Noel Maitland deserved to get the dropping penalty. Two, Roisin Barnett. Who remember Roisin Barnett and Kimisha Wright? I felt strongly about that. Them people you don't deserve to go to prison. Honestly, they don't deserve to go to prison. But trust and believe. Right? And this other one now, which is LEODA BRADSHAW, Roland Balfour, and all of these people, they deserve the drop-in penalty. These people must not take up space in an already oversaturated penal institution. Overly saturated, meaning the prison in Jamaica full up. You understand me? So, where that is concerned, I feel very strongly about this situation. Tashina Pattison, 27. Saraya Paulwell, 5-month-old, 10-month-old, not even a year yet. And what happened to them was a tragedy. You understand me? Now, certain people had said that, boy, Virtual, you're not for hold PHILLIP Paulwell responsible, but I still do. He might not have contributed physically to this tragedy. Don't get me wrong. He might not be the person that called her up and said, listen, Ray, or he might not be the person that had planned this situation. But here what I hold him responsible for. For a dinosaur, for a man we have probably a pop something to keep up that they dead sitting there alive. You should have keep it in your pants. You understand what I say? Keep them thing there as a all respectable politician, one of the highest levels of authority, a lawmaker in the land. You should have keep your thing respectable. So I still hold you responsible. And me know what if people are going to say, don't say that Virtual because he never do it and very. And I agree with you. But as a man, you have to know when to easy. You have to know when to easy, Bridget. You understand me? And that is what I hold him responsible for. LEODA BRADSHAW must get the drop-in penalty. And that is what we're campaigning for. Because her case is about to begin. You understand me? Okay? And I hope that PHILLIP Paulwell gets sleepless nights. May his dreams be dark and reminded constantly of the life of Sarah Paulwell and Tashina Patterson. We have more to come. So far.